Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making masala chai tea. So let's get started. First thing that I'm doing is taking 2 cinnamon sticks and grind them. 8 whole cardamom. I grind everything so that the flavor just infuses in the boiling water. 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns. 10 whole cloves. And now add all the ingredients mentioned and 1 tablespoon of ginger. I have grated ginger here, but you can use 1 inch of fresh ginger as well. And let it boil in the water for about 10 to 13 minutes. I have 6 cups of water in the pot. After boiling, add in 3 black tea bags and let it sit for 3 minutes. And it's ready to serve. Just strain it. Add the milk of your choice and sugar of your choice as well. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.